Dear viewers, today I will show you how to sum texts in Excel with formula. For this, let us open Excel sheet. Here we can see that in table some texts are written. We want to sum these texts, but how it possible? Let us test applying general term of summation equal to sum. First we get open, select this text, first we closed, enter, but no result. The result is 0. That is not acceptable. For this, we can apply different way. We see that general formula of summation is not applicable. Problem. We can apply different way. First way, we can change the text into number format. Let us do this. Select the cell in which we want to change text into number format. Now write equal to substitute text, select text, comma, all text in inverted comma, right, kg, comma, closed, comma, new text is empty, first bracket closed, plus 0. Press Ctrl Shift Enter. We can see that the text turned into number format, but it is unpresent. Now select this cell and turn into bottom, all text turn into numbers. Now apply the general form of summation equal to sum, open, select these numbers, first bracket closed, enter. This is result. This result is correct, but it is unpresent. According to the mathematical rule, this result is not correct. This is incorrect result. In this result, kg must be present. So, for this solution, we can write the text again in number format. Let us do this. Select these cells in which we want to turn the text into number formats, and go under home button, right arrow of number, click here, click custom, omit the general word, write here 0, inverted comma, unit kg, inverted comma closed. Okay. Now write 10, 20, 30, 40, 15. Now apply general formula of summation equal to sum, open, select these numbers, first bracket closed, enter. This result is correct. This is a better method of sum text. But we need a separate column to do this. Suppose that your client sends this file to you, he accepts you that you will sum this text in this column in which that is he fixed. You also want to see your formula by clicking this cell in formula bar. So how it possible? Let us solve this problem. Equal to for this select this cell in which we want to sum the text and go to home. Under home button, click the arrow, right side of number, click custom, omit the general word, write here 0, inverted comma, unit is kg, comma closed. Okay. Now write this cell equal to sum, first bracket open, substitute text, select the text, comma, whole text, inverted comma, kg, comma closed, comma, new text is empty, first bracket closed, plus 0, first bracket closed. Press Ctrl Shift Enter. This is the perfect result. This result is accurate according to mathematics. Viewers, we can solve. Now let us solve another formula. Int will be some texts are written. We want to sum those texts in formula. Try with me. Select this cell, under home button, click the arrow, right side of number, click custom, omit the general term, write 0, inverted comma, here unit is meter used, so write here meter, first inverted comma closed, click OK. Now write the formula in this cell equal to sum, first bracket open, substitute, select the text, comma, inverted comma, old text meter, comma, new text is open, empty, first bracket closed, plus 0, first bracket closed. Press Ctrl Shift Enter. This is a accurate result. Now let us try another table. In table C, some text are written. Here unit is PCS. So let us sum those texts. Select the cell in which we want to sum those texts. Go home, under home button, click the arrow, right set of numbers, click custom, omit the word general, write here 0, inverted comma, write the text that is used as unit in those texts, PCS, close the inverted comma, OK. Now write the formula in this cell equal to sum, first bracket open, substitute, select those texts, comma, start inverted comma, write here the unit PCS, close the inverted comma, old text, new text is empty, closed first bracket, plus 0, closed first bracket, press Ctrl Shift Enter. This is the accurate result. Dear peers, in this way we can solve the problems. In this way we can sum texts. Not more today. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Goodbye.